Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a painted buttercream cake. That might sound a little strange, but this is an actual technique that became popular maybe, I would say about 2 years ago. And it's just one that I thought was interesting when I first saw it, but I haven't quite tried it yet. So I thought we would do that together. So let's get started. I started out by frosting a 6-inch cake dummy with white vegan American buttercream. Frosting the cake pushed it slightly off center, but I wasn't concerned. I started out with some green buttercream, and I am literally painting it on with a clean paintbrush I only use for baking. I'm painting on some vines, and I must say that painting with buttercream is a lot different than painting with other mediums. Paint and food coloring, for example, really only require that you leave pigment on the canvas or fondant or whatever you're painting. But painting buttercream requires leaving a 3-dimensional amount of buttercream behind, and also not pushing so hard that you scrape off the buttercream underneath. This does not allow much precision and only allows very general shapes, so my painting is going to be a bit impressionistic. Then I painted on some purple flowers. And some pink flowers. And some teal flowers. Then I added some smaller flowers in all 3 colors. And some green leaves here and there. I think this cake turned out lovely. It's a bit impressionistic and reminds me of a Monet painting. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.